Hey, what's going on, folks? What's going on? What's going on? I'm gonna just let my notes speak for themselves, so you guys know exactly what Rex 3000 is gonna do.
The Unconstrained Future, a world without scarcity. Our vision is built on shattering the classical laws of physics to eliminate the concepts of waste and scarcity forever. We are replacing the linear, wasteful economy with an infinite circular economy, powered by two revolutionary, integrated systems. Pillar 1. Infinite Energy, the Eternal Spindle. We are solving the energy crisis by destroying the constraints of the First Law of Thermodynamics, the rule that says perpetual motion is impossible. Old constraint. Our solution. The outcome for humanity. Finite fuel and pollution. The Eternal Spindle, magnetic perpetual rotation core, provides clean, sustained, infinite power for the entire planet. The mechanism. The spindle harnesses the constant potential energy of the magnetic field itself, using precise shielding to ensure continuous rotation with almost zero input. It does not burn fuel. It taps into an inherent force of the universe. This solves the power needs of our entire industrial ecosystem, making our clean energy independent and everlasting. Pillar 2. Infinite Resources, the Quantum Core. We are solving the resource crisis by destroying the constraints of mass conservation and entropy, the rules that say you can't create from nothing and that waste is inevitable. Old constraint. Our solution. The outcome for humanity. Waste and scarcity. The Quantum Manipulation Core, building from fields, eliminates waste entirely and provides infinite, customized resources. The mechanism. The core takes any material, waste, and breaks it down to its fundamental quantum fields, zero entropy. Our AI then flawlessly recondenses those fields into any desired material, from basic plastics to high-grade alloys for starships. This means we never need to mine, drill, or pollute for raw materials again. Every used object becomes a perfect source for a new object. Pillar 3. Absolute Safety, the Water Sentinel. We are ensuring every output of our system is perfect and safe, guaranteeing a clean planet and a healthy future. Old constraint. Our solution. The outcome for humanity. Toxic sludge and purity limits. The Quantum Water Reclamation System, QWRS, with the 4-stage AI Sentinel protocol, guarantees the purest water on Earth for every need. The mechanism. The QWRS doesn't filter. It uses targeted quantum fields to erase molecular contaminants at the bond level. The AI Sentinel then performs 4 redundant checks to categorize and certify water as perfectly safe for drinking, alpha, industrial, beta, or ultra-precision, omega, use. This eliminates the world's most toxic wastewater problems and provides a reliable, safe source of the single most essential resource. The Rex 3000 ecosystem, our integrated future. These 3 pillars work together in a single, unconstrained loop, industrial hub. The Rex 3000 plant processes massive amounts of waste, powered by the Eternal Spindle, and converts it into pure materials and water. Consumer empowerment. The Rex Home Forge closes the loop at the user level, allowing citizens to fabricate anything they need using materials delivered by the autonomous Rex Fleet Warden. Space exploration. The technology is instantly ready to build the warp-capable starships needed for humanity's expansion, utilizing the unique, exotic materials the quantum core can fabricate. We are not talking about incremental change. We are talking about the end of the linear, destructive economy. We are building the era of infinite resources, infinite energy, and absolute purity.